Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss session 4, chatting with the contact Google Talk. If you have not seen the video of session number 3 where we have learned that how to set an account in Google Talk, तो पहले वो देख लें, then only it will be clear to you. I'll put the link of that video in the description box so that you can easily find out. But yes, now we are going to start with the session 4. So let's start. In this session we'll learn to chat with a contact that is already added to your contact list. यानी कि जिन friends को हमने Google Talk के through हमने अपना invite भेजा था. I told you earlier also because now there is no Google Talk, we are having a Google Hangout. तो जिनको हमने अपना invite भेजा था chat करने के लिए, if they had accepted our invite, तो हम उनके साथ chat कर सकते हैं. So whenever your friend in the contact list, जितने भी friend जिन्होंने आपके invite को accept किया होगा, यानी कि वो आपके contact list में है और वो जैसे ही online होंगे, you can see the person along with a green dot. जैसे कि आप Facebook Messenger में भी देख सकते हैं कि वहाँ पर भी आपके जो friends online होते हैं, you can easily find out that they are online by just green dot. So you can start sending text chat messages instantly by double clicking on a contact. जितने भी contact आपके online होंगे, you can simply double click on that contact and you can start typing the chat box and press enter. The message will directly transfer to their account, and if they're online, they can see and they can respond. Right? So here there's a window which is showing it to you for the Google Talk. Now these are the very important things जो in general भी आपको पता होनी चाहिए, that there are some general rules and etiquettes to be followed while chatting. Messages should be short and to the point. Means whenever you are sending the messages, वो short हों, ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत लंबे लंबे messages हम बहुत long messages हम भेज रहे हैं, और to the point हो, जो आप messages information convey करना चाहते हैं वो उसी के related हों. Always introduce yourself by name if your screen name does not reflect it. If you are chatting with a new person जो आपको नहीं जानते हैं, so please introduce yourself. खासकर स्पेशल बिजनेस चैट में आप अपने आप को जरूर इंट्रोड्यूस करें. Always ask if the other person has a time to chat. ये नहीं कि आपने simply उनके साथ chatting start कर दिया without asking whether they are free or they are not free. So first send a message that whether they are free, then we can chat or we can discuss something. In a business environment, know exactly what you want to discuss, because business में ऐसे नहीं कि आप कुछ भी messages भेजते जाएं, whether it is required or not required. In business you must be very careful that you have to write only those messages which is required for business transactions. Typing your messages in uppercase is extremely rude. ये शायद आपको नहीं पता होगा, लेकिन अगर आप अपने messages को uppercase में लिखते हैं, so that means it basically like is a rude messaging. It comes in the category of rude messaging if you are typing your messages in the uppercase. So at least 3-4 etiquettes आपको जरूर पता होने चाहिए, because that may be asked in the exams that what things you need to take care while writing the messages. Give people time to respond. ये नहीं कि आपने एक मैसेज भेजा और फिर दोबारा मैसेज फिर तीसरा मैसेज. You just give the time. Wherever possible, give the person you are communicating with your undivided attention. It is not like that the other person is sending the message and you're busy in somewhere else. So you should respond to that. You should respect, because it is a sign of respect that you are showing to the others, that others are writing the messages and you are responding to them. It is so important to properly end an I am conversation, because अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि chatting खत्म हो गई है, conversation खत्म हो गई है, but दूसरा person अगर ये सोच रहा है that the chatting is not over, so please end with a proper conversation. Now the chatting on Gmail, like we do in the, now we are chatting in Gmail. So obviously when you want to chat on Gmail, you must have a Gmail account. So a web browser, you can open that one. Once you sign into Gmail account, you can directly see the contacts here and you can see the green dots, and you can directly double click and start chatting with a particular contact name. Like here, you can see these windows are available. You can press enter, the chat will go to that particular person. Chatting on Yahoo, like we can do the chatting on Gmail, the same way you can chat on Yahoo. But yes, to chat on Gmail you must require a Gmail account. Similarly, on chatting on Yahoo, you should have your Yahoo mail account. You can't do that कि आपके Gmail account है, आप Yahoo Messenger को use कर लें, या Yahoo का account है और Gmail Messenger use कर लें. That you cannot do. जो आप platform use कर रहे हैं उसी का ID आपके पास होना चाहिए. So you have to download this messenger, and after डाउनलोडिंग यू हैव टू साइन इन, यानी कि आपको वो अकाउंट अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आपको अकाउंट क्रिएट करना होगा, एंड आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग एन अकाउंट यू हैव टू साइन इन with your username and password. As you sign in with the username and password, then you can see your contact list the same way as you are viewing in your Google. जैसे Gmail में था वैसे ही Yahoo में है. अगर आपके contact list में कोई person नहीं है तो आपको उनको invite भेजना होगा. If they are accepting your invite to chat, then वो नाम आपके contact list में visible होंगे, and then you can simply double click and you can start chatting with those contact list, right? So this is how we can do in Yahoo. So now the activities. So you can see state any 3 rules. तो आप कोई भी 3 रूल लिख सकते हैं जो हमने पढ़े थे कि दूसरे को टाइम दीजिए, don't write in the upper case because it seems to be rude, then always ask from the other person whether they are free to chat. So all these are 3 rules and etiquettes you must remember. Basic needs to use instant messaging. क्या ज़रूरत है हमें instant messages करने की? Because so that we can transfer the files, we can have a video call, we can have the voice call, ये सब चीजें हैं, and moreover that you can send your messages instantaneously and you can have their response instantaneously. आप एक साथ बात कर सकते हैं, real time में कर सकते हैं. So all these things are related to this instant messaging software. So I hope that this will be clear to you. If there is any doubt, you can write in the chat, comment section so that I can cover this in the next session. Okay then, thank you.